Content writing is the backbone of content marketing, focusing on crafting, engaging, informative pieces that resonate with audiences. Effective content writing involves understanding your audience, maintaining a consistent brand voice, and delivering value through well-researched, clear, and concise writing. This approach not only attracts, but also retains customers, fostering long-term business growth. Content marketing, as defined by Joe Pulizzi, involves crafting valuable, relevant content to engage target audiences, focusing on value over promotion. The Michelin Guides, a historical example, built trust by offering travel advice, subtly promoting tire usage. Today, content marketing builds trust, establishes brand authority, drives profitable actions, and fosters lasting relationships. Content writing is crucial in content marketing, forming the basis for blogs, articles, and social posts. It supports diverse formats like how-to guides, case studies, and infographics, each tailored to specific audience needs. The ultimate goal is to educate, entertain, and convert readers into loyal customers through compelling storytelling. The content marketing funnel begins by attracting potential customers with valuable content that addresses their pain points. Engage them with personalized content that resonates with their interests. Convert prospects with compelling calls to action and clear value demonstrations. Finally, retain customer loyalty through ongoing valuable content, support, and community building efforts. Developing detailed customer personas involves understanding motivations, needs, and frustrations. Research demographics and behaviors to create authentic profiles. Craft compelling brand stories by articulating your unique value proposition and demonstrating tangible benefits. Align content with the customer journey, mapping it from awareness to advocacy, ensuring you meet customers at each stage effectively. Samantha, 28, is an aspiring small business owner aiming to launch a profitable online store and build a recognizable brand. Her challenges include a limited marketing budget and time management struggles. She prefers Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube tutorials. Our content strategy should offer practical, visual advice, fostering confidence without jargon. Craft engaging content by using clear, concise language tailored to your audience's level. Break down complex ideas into digestible chunks. Incorporate storytelling to build emotional connections, making concepts memorable. Include strategic calls to action, guiding readers toward meaningful steps with specific, valuable, and easy-to-complete actions. Ensure every piece serves a purpose. Crafting a compelling blog post begins with a strong hook to capture attention. Address common challenges like limited budgets and unclear strategies. Introduce content marketing as a solution, emphasizing its role in building authority and attracting customers. Offer actionable tips. Conduct audience research. Create a content calendar, and focus on one platform initially. Tracking content impact is crucial for strategic decision-making. Key metrics include page views, engagement rate, conversion rate, bounce rate, and social shares. Tools like Google Analytics, HubSpot, and Social Media Insights provide comprehensive data to refine strategies and enhance audience engagement. Analyzing a 6-month performance snapshot reveals how consistent, quality content boosts engagement. Notably, April's spike in blog visits and social shares aligns with a targeted email campaign and increased posting frequency to 3 times weekly. This highlights the compounding effect of sustained content efforts, emphasizing strategic planning and content distribution. Strategic content distribution amplifies reach and maximizes return on investment. Utilize a multi-channel approach. Owned media like websites and newsletters offer full control. Earned media, such as social shares and influencer mentions, enhance credibility. Paid media, including sponsored posts and ads, provide targeted reach. This synergy ensures your message reaches active audiences effectively. A content calendar tool offers a visual calendar view for comprehensive planning, with month, week, and day perspectives. It features content categorization, team assignments, and status tracking from draft to published stages. Performance integration allows you to see results alongside planning. Key benefits include maintaining consistency, strategic planning alignment, enhanced team collaboration, and efficiency gains through batch creation and scheduling. Producing and reviewing content involves several key steps. Start with research to gather data and insights, then draft without editing to capture ideas, edit for clarity and consistency, and optimize using search engine optimization best practices. Finally, publish strategically, promoting across channels and monitoring performance. Ensure primary keywords, meta descriptions, and proper header hierarchy for search engine optimization success. Blendtec's Will It Blend campaign, led by Chief Executive Officer Tom Dixon, turned product demos into viral sensations. By blending unexpected items, the series highlighted the blender's power, engaging audiences with authenticity and entertainment. This strategy led to 700,000 YouTube subscribers and a 700% sales increase, proving creative content can significantly boost business success. Define your foundation by crafting detailed audience personas and a unique brand story. Map the customer journey, aligning content with each stage from awareness to advocacy. Consistently create and measure content, using data insights for refinement. Focus on building lasting relationships through trust and genuine value, not just quick wins.